Supreme Court has ordered the release of NewsClick editor Prabir Purkayastha, declaring that his arrest by the Delhi police under the anti-terror law was illegal. A bench of Justices B.R. Gavai and Sandeep Mehta stated that a remand copy was not provided in the case, which makes his arrest void. Mr. Purkayastha was arrested on 3rd October last year under the anti-terror law, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. My colleague Ashish Sinha joins on the broadcast with further details on this. Over to you. Could you tell our viewers what exactly the Supreme Court has said?
The top court today declared the arrest of the NewsClick founder and the editor-in-chief, Prabir, in the case under the anti-terror law, and that means the UPA, as an invalid and eyes of law. The top court noted that a copy of the remand application outlining the grounds of arrest in writing was not provided to Prabir or his counsel before the remand order dated October 4, 2023, which violates his arrest and subsequently remand. A bench which is headed by B.R. Gavai and Sandeep Mehta stated as a result that the applicant is entitled to a direction for a release from the custody by applying the ratio of the judgment rendered by the court in the case of Pankaj Bansal. The court further observed that accordingly the arrest of the applicant, that means Prabir, followed by the remand order dated, and so also the impugned order passed by the High Court of Delhi are hereby declared to be invalid in the eyes of law and quashed and set aside. Remember, the bench has delivered its verdict on the plea challenging the High Court's October 13 last year order dismissing his plea, that means Prabir's plea, against the arrest and police remand in this case. He was arrested by the special cell of the Delhi police on October 3 last year. But remember also that the charge sheet has been filed by the Delhi police in this case before the Patiala House Court. That means the case against Prabir will go on, but Supreme Court today granted him a big relief and clearly declared his arrest is illegal and also unconstitutional.
All right, with that, I would like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast, taking our viewers through all those details.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.